Zach Paikoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be showing you how to interpret circle graphs. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so in the last few videos that I've been making, we have been learning about how to create and interpret bar graphs and line graphs. Now in this video, we're going to be learning about how to interpret circle graphs. So in a moment, we're going to be doing an IXL where we're going to be learning about how to interpret circle graphs. And we're going to be reading the problem, then using the information in the problem to help us solve it. So let's try a few problems together. Alright, so this first problem reads, a beauty salon in Oxford has 6 beauticians and keeps track of how often clients request each one specifically. Okay, so this circle graph is showing us the beautician requests. And if we look, Kate has 20%, Lola has 15%, Derek has 20%, Katie has 5%, Anne has 20%, and Luca has 20%. And this question right here is asking, if the salon got 80 requests in all, how many more requests were for Luca than for Katie? All right, so these words right here, how many more, tell me that I'm going to be subtracting. And it's asking for Luca and Katie. So if we look, Luca has 20% and Katie has 5%. So the way that we're going to be solving this problem is by taking the number 80 and multiplying it by the percentages and then subtracting. So first we're going to multiply the 80 times 20%, which is 0.2. Okay, so that will give us 16. And then we're going to multiply 80 again times 5%, which is 0.05. And that will give us 4. And then we take 16 and subtract it from 4, and that will give us our answer. Okay, so that's 12. So the answer for this problem is 12 requests, because we took a look at the circle graph and did the math for Luca and Katie and converted these percentages into decimals and subtracted, and that gave us 12 requests. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this next problem reads, a sandwich shop in Weston polled its customers regarding their favorite sandwiches. All right, so this circle graph is showing us the sandwich preference. And if we look, chicken has 1/5, tuna has 1/5, cheese has 1/10, ham has 1/5, and egg salad has 3/10. And this question right here is asking, which salad was preferred by the fewest customers? And the answer choices are tuna, ham, cheese, or chicken. Okay, so if we look at tuna, it has 1/5. So if we take 1 and divide it by 5, that will give us 0.2 or 20%. Next, if we take ham, ham also has 1/5. So if we take 1 and divide it by 5, that also gives us 20%. And if we look at cheese, cheese has 1/10. So we're going to take 1, divide it by 10. That will give us 0.1 or 10%. And if we take chicken, chicken also has 1/5. So we're going to take 1, divided by 5, and that gives us 0.2. So we have 3 0.2s and 1 0.1. And 0.1 is less than 0.2, so therefore it has to be cheese. So the answer for this problem is cheese, because we took a look at the circle graph and saw that 3 of the 4 choices were 20% and 1 was 10%, and 10% is less than 20%, so therefore it had to be cheese. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's hop on to another one. Alright, so this next problem reads, a nonprofit organization kept track of the amount of funding it received from different categories of donors over the course of a year. Okay, so this circle graph is showing us the funding sources. And if we look, corporations has 20%, federal grants have 35%, and individuals have 45%. And this question right here is asking, which list is arranged from the biggest source of funding to the smallest source of funding? Okay, so if we look back up here at the circle graph, it looks like individuals take up a big majority of this circle graph, which is 45%. So it has to be either answer choice 2 or answer choice 4. It can't be answer choices 1 or 3. So if we look again, it's asking from the biggest source to the smallest source. So it's going to be individuals, which is 45%, federal grants, which is 35%, and then corporations, which is 20%. So if we look again, it looks to me that it fits in with answer choice number 2. So the answer for this problem is individuals, federal grants, and corporations, because we took a look at the circle graph, and the question was asking us which list was arranged from the biggest source of funding to the smallest source of funding, and it was individuals, federal grants, and corporations. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing a couple more with you guys. Okay, so this next problem reads, Westminster requires all dogs to be registered with the city and keeps records of the distribution of different breeds. Alright, so this circle graph is showing us the dog ownership. And if we look, Labrador Retrievers is 1/11th, Bulldogs is 4/11ths, Beagles is 1/11th, Yorkshire Terriers are 2/11ths, German Shepherds are 2/11ths, and Golden Retrievers are 1/11th. And this question right here is asking, if 99 dogs are registered, how many of them are German Shepherds? Okay, so we're going to be having to do a little bit of math here. So first, we're going to take this 99 and divide it by the 11. So we're going to take 99 divided by 11, which is 9, and then we're going to multiply it by the numerator, which is 2, and that will give us 18. So the answer for this problem is 18. So the answer for this problem, as I said, is 18, because we took a look at the circle graph for the German Shepherds part, and took the 99, divided it by 11, and multiplied it by 2, and that gave us 18. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing one more with you guys. Alrighty, so this last problem reads, people walking in downtown Manchester were questioned about their favorite card games. Okay, so this circle graph is showing us the different favorite card games. And if we look, Old Maid has 45%, Go Fish has 25%, and Solitaire has 30%. And this question right here is asking, which list is arranged from least favorite game to favorite game? Okay, so as I said, Old Maid has 45%, Go Fish has 25%, and Solitaire has 30%. So if we put those in order from least to greatest, it'd be 25, 30, then 45. So it'd be Go Fish, Solitaire, then Old Maid. So let's look at these answer choices. So it can't be Solitaire. Solitaire had 30%. Can't be Old Maid. Old Maid had 45%. So it has to be either this one, this answer choice, or this one. But if we look at this last answer choice, it has Old Maid, and Old Maid had 45%, so it can't be that. So therefore, it has to be answer choice number 3. So the answer for this problem is Go Fish, Solitaire, and Old Maid, because we took a look at the circle graph and the question, which was asking us which was the least favorite game to the favorite game. And therefore, it was Go Fish, Solitaire, and Old Maid. And that is how to solve this problem. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did and are a new member to my channel, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!